There are many reasons to choose metal roofing for your home. Metal roofing is durable, long-lasting, and can withstand high winds and heavy snow. It is also fire-resistant and energy-efficient. Metal roofs reflect heat, keeping your home cooler in the summer. It is the way to go if you want a top that will protect your home from the elements and save you money on your energy bills. May homeowners and businesses choose metal because of its durability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance requirements. They are also fire-resistant and can withstand high winds. Metal roofing is an excellent investment for any home, but it is especially beneficial for those in Boise. The climate in Boise is harsh, with hot summers and cold winters. It can withstand these extremes better than other types of roofing, making it a wise investment for homeowners in Boise. Metal roofing is also fire-resistant, which is an important consideration given the risk of wildfires in the area. Overall, metal roofing is a smart choice for any homeowner in Boise looking to protect their home from the elements.